Student, today we are going to learn about the conventional symbols. Conventional symbols help us to read the map and make us easier to draw. You have learned that a map shows the various features. It is impossible to show the actual shape and size of the tree and building, villages, etc. in a map because there is a limited space. Because there is limited space, we can't show all these things. So we need a symbols. These symbols not make us easier to draw map but also to read them. If the different people use the different symbols to draw a map, then it is difficult to understand each other's map. So there is an international agreement on these symbols and people all over the world use the same set of symbols. These are called the conventional symbols. That means it is an international agreement on the symbols and people all over the world use the same set of symbols are called the conventional symbol. Some common conventional symbols or figures are shown on 1.6. These will help us to understand the map. See, these are the conventional symbols. So if we want to show the temple, we will use these conventional symbols. To show the bridge, show the grass, settlement, post office, telegraph, police station. We use all these symbols and these are called the conventional symbols. Show a small town, its a surrounding area. Now you can apply various tools like scale, north line, conventional symbol to study the map. You can find the total length and breadth of the area shown in a map. What are the features that can be seen in the map? That are key. What is key? It is the meaning and symbol used in a map actually to give the list of the map itself, such as called the key. The meaning of symbol used in a map given list on a map itself is called an key. Key you will get on the map one side if the symbols are used and their actual meaning is written in front of it. That is called an key.